This is Ben. He's from Mexico. He plays the guitar. Ben has big dreams. Can you identify nouns in bold? Let's take a look. What are nouns? Nouns are words that represent person, places, thing, or an idea. So the nouns have its types. First, singular and plural nouns. Now, what are those? Singular means one, and plural means plus one. It is plural. Let's see examples of singular nouns: cat, tree, book. Plural nouns: cats, trees, books.
Look, so many sheeps.
Ben, plural of sheep is sheep.
Huh?
So, in order to convert singular to plural, we just have to add s, right? Right, in case of regular plurals, we just have to add s. But in case of irregular plurals, there are many types. First type, F-2-E-S. Leaf, leaves. Thief, thieves. Calf, calves. Life, lives. Second type, when we add en. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Third type, base plural. Like we say sheep. Its plural form is sheep. Fish also remains fish. But I've heard fishes so many times. Why can't we say fishes? When different species of fish is discussed, then the term fishes can be used. Another type, mutant plurals. Mutant as in the sounds change. Foot, feet, woman, women, tooth, teeth, goose, geese, mouse, mice, louse, lice. Man, men. Weird, isn't it? But these are the only 7 mutant plurals that you will have to remember. And that's it. Another type is miscellaneous plurals. These words are derived from foreign languages. Hence, they're just like this. You just have to remember them. For example, fungus, fungi, cactus, cacti, datum, data, lava, lavi, index, indices, thesis, thesis, phenomenon, phenomena. Moving on to more types: common and proper nouns. Common are quite general, proper are specific. Common, the words are only capitalized at the beginning of the sentence. Proper nouns are always capitalized. For example, name is common, Ben is specific, river, Ganga, mountain, Ural. Concrete and abstract nouns. Concrete is something physical which we can touch. Abstract is not physical. We cannot touch it. For example, in concrete, dog, chocolate, phone. And in abstract nouns, sadness and happiness. This is something that we cannot touch.